Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy S25. For that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and that's part of the box. And at the cover of the box you will find here another little black box. So just remove it like this here, and if you open it, just pull out the card like that, and you will find finally the SIM ejection tool. So just release it. And yeah, otherwise, by the way, you can use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you're having a phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And a part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. But please take care that you use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, because next to the SIM tray is another hole. This is a microphone. Please use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Okay, take now your SIM ejection tool or the paper clip and enter the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. At the SIM tray you're able to insert next to the main SIM card as well as second SIM card if you want, here on the other side of the SIM tray. By the way, what is SIM 1 and SIM 2? It's always written here at the middle. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. Belongs here to SIM 1, of course. Press it well, and yeah, this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner on the SIM card that belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray, and as you can see, the contacts, they are on top. Okay, if you want, you can add also a second SIM card, but don't wonder, the first SIM card will turn out of the SIM tray. It's a construction mistake here at the SIM tray. It's absolutely normal, don't wonder. If you want to insert two SIM cards, I recommend to you always to start with the second SIM card. So just insert it like that here, press it well. You will hear as well a little click noise. And yeah, this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner as well here on the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. And the contacts, they are on top as well. Okay, let me insert the first SIM card again. Yeah, and now enter the SIM tray back into the SIM slot anyhow with one or two SIM cards. The first SIM card is always on top, so to the display side. Close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.